So there's a fear, Jill, that sure, you're going to hold the property taxes in line, but it's just going to be a big tax hike somewhere else. What do you say to concerns about that?
I haven't heard those concerns, and that's obviously not something that's on my agenda to just pass different taxes without diving in deep. I think, again, what is critical is we need to make sure that what we put into law is working. And if it's not, we have to make changes. But again, I just want to stress that our focus this session is focused on education and property taxes. And that is where we need to put our time and energy. And I think that impacts all committees around this chamber, because it impacts healthcare, it impacts housing, it impacts so many other places. And so again, that's is going to be where our focus is.